Hello and welcome to Social Media Ministries. My name is Spencer Kaufman. I've got some exciting news today. This video is for YouTubers who have a channel with more than 10,000 subscribers. If that's you, then pay attention and listen up because you can really help out Social Media Ministries by creating a fundraiser on your YouTube channel if you have more than 10,000 subscribers. So you can create a fundraiser, and then what happens is you select what videos you want this fundraiser to show up on. It doesn't interfere with your video, it doesn't pop up, it's non-intrusive. So what'll happen is you create this fundraiser, and on a desktop it'll show up in the sidebar. Instead of promoted videos, there'll be our fundraiser spot where viewers can look at that and see, oh, donate to support Social Media Ministries. You can type in what you're raising money for. If it's general, if we have a specific need that you can connect with us and say, hey, what do you guys need? And we'll say, we need $500 for this, or 100 for this, or 5,000 for this. And then you can say, all right, I got that. And you'll type it out, and then your viewers of your YouTube videos, certain videos you select, will see that and have the opportunity to donate, and 100% of those donated funds will go directly to Social Media Ministries. On mobile, it'll show up on mobile, but it's not going to be intrusive. It'll be below, so there'll be a little box underneath the video where like the description would be, and then if they scroll down, they'll see the other videos. There'll be a box there that has the opportunity to donate and says what you're raising money for. So if you have a YouTube channel and you have more than 10,000 subscribers, consider going to the fundraising tab and raising money for Social Media Ministries. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below. We would love to connect with you to help you figure out what you're raising money for so that you can better connect to your audience and raise money to help support Social Media Ministries. Thank you so much. God bless.